It's time for mini news sesh. Yeah.
Hey there, kids, and welcome to Designed by Wingnut Social, the mini news sesh. Today, for the very first time making her debut, is social media manager extraordinaire Whitney Shaney with some mini news. Whitney, what in the hell do you have today?
Well, I actually have some fun news. There's a new feature being rolled out, but it's actually not really new. It's just an expansion. We've already been seeing this on Instagram, and it's called Close Friends. It's usually on your stories, where you can just post a personal Instagram story to your close friends. But now Instagram is saying, hey, instead of stories, why don't we just put it on your grid as well? So what this means is that you can become a little bit more comfortable about posting some personal fun vacation or some silly selfies, that you don't want everybody to see, but you want some of your close friends to see.
Okay. So just refresh our recollections a little bit. So close friends in stories, how does that work? So walk us through that, and then we'll go through the feed and why we think this could be beneficial.
Yeah, so Close Friends to your stories is a feature that allows you to post a story that doesn't go out to everybody, but that just goes out to a list of people that you curated for Instagram. So what that means now is we don't have to just do it with stories. We can now do it on your Instagram feed. And once you click on Close Friends for your Instagram feed, it only gets pushed out to them, but it does not get pushed out to the Explore page, and it does not get pushed out to your Instagram grid. So all those personal lifestyle photos that you want to post, you can do with confidence now, because it's only going to people that you want it to go to.
I love that. We have a lot of interior designers who are conflicted. Should I have a personal account for my family and friends and then a business account? But this is a great way to consolidate your Instagram and to have that list of personal friends. And then I imagine, well, correct me if I'm wrong, because I haven't tried this yet, is that when you're creating the post, there's a button or something you click that says only goes to this list of close friends. Is that how that works?
Yeah. So now, as they are rolling out this feature, once your account gets this feature, what will happen is right before you hit publish, Instagram's going to kind of alert you and ask, do you want to post this publicly, or do you want this post to only go to your close friends? So you'll have the option to choose.
I love that. And that brings to mind a couple of clients that will go nameless, but one in particular may have been at a concert and posted a picture of a pickle or something. I can't remember, to her beautiful interior design feed. So something like that might be like a good option.
Yeah, no, this feature is honestly going to be great for those interior designers or the business owners that, they're using their account both for professional and personal. So, if you want to keep that perfect aesthetic that really matches your brand, this feature is going to be great for you, because you can post that pickle and it's not going to go to your targeted audience. Your targeted audience will be your friends at this with this feature.
You can have the best of both worlds, right? And do you think that this is Instagram or Meta's solution for, it seems like Facebook is kind of dying down for people sharing things with friends and family, and it does seem like so much more is happening on Instagram. Do you think that's kind of their answer to help mitigate that?
So what Instagram, Adam, actually said was that they're noticing that there's less and less personality on Instagram currently, because what you're doing now is you're just posting, or you're sending that type of content through the DMs instead of posting it on your grid. So in order for them to make you, what they're trying to do with this feature is for you to just be comfortable to post that lifestyle content. A lot of people are too scared or embarrassed to post that silly selfie. So instead of just posting it in their DMs and sending it to all their friends in their DMs, they're encouraging you now to post it on your grid.
Okay, I definitely see the method to that madness. So that does make a lot of sense. And you and I both know, and we see it daily in our clients' accounts, that lifestyle photos done right, maybe not the pickle, are really helpful for accounts when everybody can see them for your lifestyle brand. But this can be really good for those those images that aren't quite as polished. Maybe you're at the family reunion. It doesn't really quite, interior
Country
design
concerts.
Clients don't care. Country concerts.
you jamming out to your favorite. As much as that content is great, it's just not sometimes selling your product or selling your business the right way. So we still want you to have fun with Instagram. So I think this feature is going to allow people to just be a little bit relaxed and more comfortable. And also, it's the best of both worlds, like you said.
Yeah, I love it. It's really good. I think I might try this as well on the Darla Powell, which is my personal Instagram account. And for sure, the general public is not going to see these, right? Only my friends list.
Yes, only close friends. The only people that, like, I will reiterate, the only people that will see this content are your close friends. Again, it does not even, you won't even see it on your grid, which is interesting.
You won't even see it? Like if I went in and looked at my
just your
grid?
close friends. Just your close friends will see it. Like, if I'm not your close friend and I go to your feed, I won't see it.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. But if I post it, I can see it on my grid. Oh, okay, cool. Okay. It's just real quick before we get back to doing Growth Boost for our Wingnut Social clients. How do we set up that friends and family list? Is it pretty self-evident or is
it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay. So, again, when it asks you, do you want to send this to your close friends or your public? Once you click close friends, it will ask you who you want. So it'll literally go and it'll pull up everybody that you are following, your account is following, and you just click through who you want.
Do you have to do that each time, or can it just be
it'll save. The very first time you do that, it'll save.
Awesome. All right, Whitney Shaney, thank you so much for your very first mini news. You killed it.
Thank you. Can't wait to come back.
All right. Can't wait to have you back. Thanks so much. Now get back to work.
I will.
All right, Whitney Shaney, thank you so much for joining us on the mini news sesh. You did great. First time, man. You guys are killing it. Sydney Hill killed it. You're killing it. I have the best team. I am so grateful, so blessed to have such a great team here at Wingnut Social. Remember, if you need help with your social media marketing for your interior design firm, if you're a home furnishings manufacturer, if you're an architect, that's all we do. That's what we specialize in. I am a former interior designer, decorator. I had my own interior design firm in Miami, Florida. So we know what it takes to market yourself on social media in order to get clients, because I did that in Miami and I did it pretty well, if I do say so myself. Head on over to wingnutsocial.com to learn more about that. Remember, our Instagram for interior designers course is out. That's at Wingnut Academy. And let me tell you guys, that is doing really well. It's selling like hotcakes, and it comes with its own Facebook group. If you have any questions at all about the course, you can just type in there, hey, I got the Instagram course. What is Instagram? I kid. But you can type in any question you have about the course, about the theory, the philosophy, building your strategy, marketing piece, anything in there. That is a lifetime kind of situation there when you get that course. As long as the course lives, that lives, that membership in the Academy on Facebook. All right, guys, that's it. Head on over to wingnutsocial.com to learn more about how we can help you market your interior design firm on social media. And until next time, remember to get out there, get uncomfortable, and be great.
Mini news sesh. Yeah.